Alright, so an update to this one that had the non-condensables in it. Got it all fixed up. No more bouncing. It's perfect. So we had a previous video that had non-condensables inside the system, and you've seen this gauge just bouncing up and down a lot, like going from 425 to 475, 450. Just kind of kept doing that. So the liquid line dryer was plugged up. It was mounted internally, and everybody likes to try to go through all that effort to remount it internally, but instead, since we had to replace it anyhow, we actually just brazed down a piece of line set back in there and put the line dryer external. So a lot easier to get to. Looks real good now though. Holding steady, holding strong, no more bouncing around.